Welcome to my channel Happy Flowers. In today's video, I will share with you how I make the corsages. Things you need to make these corsages are some roses, spray carnations, some green leaves and filler flowers. We also need some silk ribbon, thin wire and floral tape. Let's start making the corsage. Today I am going to use these beautiful roses to make my corsage. Corsages can be made with orchids also. Take out the outer one or two petals so that the roses will look very fresh. I like to use a safety pin for my corsage, so I am attaching a thin wire to the safety pin. Attach your wire opposite to the opening side. Now we have to wire and tape each flower individually. I will show you how to wire and tape the flowers. We need to use very thin wire. I have used two wires for this rose flower. Actually, there is no need for that. You can use only one wire. Bring the wires together at the bottom, make a twist, and then you tape it. Wire and tape the spray carnations in the same way. We have wired our roses, carnations, safety pin and our silk bow is also ready. Now it is time to assemble them. We don't need to wire and tape the baby's breath. We can tape them with some leaves or with some flowers. Now, before attaching your second flower, attach the safety pin at the back side. Finish your corsage with a beautiful ribbon bow. Tape nicely at the end and finish it nicely. Our beautiful corsage is ready. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.